Hello again, friends. Welcome back to our marketing research series. It's episode 19, and if you've been following along, you know the drill. If you're enjoying our content, give us a like and subscribe. And to stay updated, hit that notification bell. Today, we're diving deep into the world of multivariate analysis, letting us peek into the relationships between multiple variables all at once. Ready to unravel this? Let's dive in. Alright, so you've heard of analyzing one or maybe two variables at a time. But what if I told you we can look at many more simultaneously? That's the magic of multivariate analysis. Think of techniques like multiple regression, factor analysis, cluster analysis, and a couple more. They're like the Avengers of data analysis techniques, each with its unique power. First up, multiple regression analysis. Imagine you're trying to predict tomorrow's weather, and you're considering temperature, wind speed, humidity, all at the same time. That's what this technique does. But for things like understanding how advertising and product pricing influence sales. Next, we have factor analysis. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing what's driving patterns in our data. For marketers, it might show what's really behind customer satisfaction. Maybe it's not just the product quality, but also the brand image and customer service. Then, there's cluster analysis, our way of grouping similar things together. In the marketing world, this is gold. It lets us find clusters of customers with similar tastes, making targeted marketing a breeze. Moving on, we've got discriminant analysis. Picture being able to pinpoint what makes loyal customers different from occasional ones. Maybe it's how often they buy, or the kinds of products they love. This technique helps us find those unique characteristics. And last, but certainly not least, conjoint analysis. Ever wondered how customers decide between product features? This is our answer. It lets us peek into trade-offs they're making, like choosing between size, color, or even price. And there we have it. We've just unraveled the world of multivariate analysis. These tools let us uncover deeper insights and fine-tune our marketing strategies. Up next, we'll dive into the art of presenting all these findings in a way that's crystal clear. Don't miss out, and if you found today's episode enlightening, give it a like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Catch you on the next one.